What's up, y'all? I'm gonna hop right into this video. Y'all see these clip ends? This is gonna be my first time installing. It came with like 7 pieces, so it's a clip in 7. And yeah, like when I tell y'all, I was nervous, but like whatever. So these are the items that I had used just to install the little clip ends. Of course, that's the heat resistant. For natural hair, you don't want the flat irons to mess up your hair, the heat. And that is just some foam boost spray, edge boost spray. That's my first time using that product, and it actually worked pretty good. I also laid it on top of my head once I was done. And we all know what that is. Come on now. If y'all don't know, get with it. And who don't know about the Eco Gel? That's my favorite. Y'all should try it. Little flat irons, blow dryer, and we in there. So I'm gonna most likely play some music so we can get into tune. But yeah, y'all vibe with me. Thank y'all for watching this video. See you next time. My sister ended up doing the back for me because I couldn't get it tight enough. Okay, a little 1, 2, 3. We went ahead and put a little ponytail in because you feel me, like my hair, I haven't had a perm, so yeah, that was more convenient and it looked way better. I couldn't leave out and I ain't had my hair pressed, perm, nothing. So yeah, and it's fly. Little pose. I did wind up curling my baby hairs or whatever you want to call them on the side. Yeah, little edges, baby hairs. Wound up doing that, and yeah, I kept my edges how they was. So stay tuned for next video. Thank y'all.